Baba Ghanoush, it's a roasted eggplant with a smoky charcoal flavor. There are many variations of Baba Ghanoush and all of them are amazing. Hello everyone, it's Molly from Molly's Home Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted eggplant Baba Ghanoush with mayonnaise. For this recipe you will need 2 eggplants. Make sure to choose smooth and shiny eggplant without any bruises and lightweight. Heavy eggplant contain a lot of seeds and it might be bitter to taste, so try to get the lighter one. Using a fork to pierce the eggplant all over to allow the steam to vent and preventing them from exploding inside your oven during roasting. And that's a huge mess. And trust me, you don't want that. Place the eggplant on a baking sheet covered with 2 layers of aluminum foil for easier cleaning. Broil, roast, grill or bake them for about 45 to 50 minutes and flip them in between to char them from all sides. The first flip done after about 20 minutes of broiling, then every 10 minutes flip again. Some people do it directly on the stove, but I don't recommend it. It's very messy and very hard to clean it. Transfer the eggplant to a bowl and cover them for 10 minutes to create steam for a better smoky flavor. Also, the steam will make it easier to separate the skin from the eggplant. Don't let the eggplant to cool too long because the skin will stick back to the eggplant and it will be very hard to remove it. Peel the top of the skin and use a spoon to separate the eggplant from its skin. Discard the skin and transfer the eggplant to a strainer to drain the water as much as we can by placing a plate and something heavy on top, like a can, and let it drain for 30 minutes. Then flip the eggplant and drain it for another 30 minutes. I like to drain my eggplant very well. I don't like water floating in my eggplant salad. It's changed the texture, the flavor of the eggplant, so please don't skip this step. Use a fork or potato masher to break down the strings of the eggplant. You don't need to dice it. You want to feel the texture and the flavor of the eggplant. To season the eggplant, I use half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix well till all combine. Pour the dressing over the eggplant. Use a fork to whisk it to get a creamy consistency. Transfer to a bowl and enjoy a delicious, creamy, smoky flavor Baba Ghanoush. Serve with crackers, pita, or sliced vegetables. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Good. Yummy.